This is Havana, Cuba.
On our very first cruise, years ago, we had to skirt the waters of Cuba because of a hurricane. And it made me very nervous to be able to see Cuba, and all I could imagine was Cuba sending out gunboats and taking all Americans and making them walk the plank. Well, I talked to one of the security men on board the ship, and he told me, don't worry about it. He said, this ship is registered in Panama. They will not bother us. And they didn't.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.